Welcome to SkyWatch Global. Strap in, because the BAE Tempest is officially here to rewrite the rules of the sky. No more waiting, let us get straight to the power.
Stop. Just stop for a second, and look at the sky. Because right now, while you're watching this, the entire balance of global power is shifting. Forget everything you've ever heard about stealth. Forget those high-tech jets from the movies. There's a new predator in the clouds, and honestly, it's fast enough to outrun the future itself. It's silent, it's invisible, and it's carrying weapons that feel like they were stolen straight from an alien civilization. You are looking at the dawn of absolute, sixth-generation dominance. This is the BAE Tempest. And the world, well, the world is officially on notice. See, the thing is, aerial combat is moving way faster than any of us imagined. While most countries are still struggling to master basic stealth, the BAE Tempest is already living in the year 2040. This isn't just an airplane. Calling it a plane is an insult. It's a flying supercomputer, a digital predator designed to own the skies. But what actually makes this beast so different? Just look at that design. I mean, look at those aggressive, sharp lines, that seamless, ghost-like skin. The Tempest was built to be a phantom. But it's a phantom with a terrifyingly powerful brain. Its entire skin is embedded with thousands of tiny sensors. It's like the jet has its own nervous system. It feels the air, it senses enemy radar pulses before they even hit. In the cockpit, forget it. There are no screens, no buttons, no old-school dials. Instead, the pilot wears this revolutionary augmented reality helmet. Everything, every target, every map, is projected right onto their eyes. They can literally look through the floor of the plane. It's not just flying anymore, it's a total fusion of human instinct and machine precision. But wait, it gets crazier. The heart of this thing. It's a beast. Rolls-Royce is building an engine that doesn't just push the jet forward, it generates enough electricity to power a small city. Why? Because the Tempest is designed to fire actual lasers. Imagine that. A jet that never runs out of ammo because it's knocking missiles out of the sky with beams of light. And it's not a lone wolf, either. The Tempest is the quarterback. It leads a swarm of loyal wingmen, drones, autonomous ghosts that scout ahead, jam signals, and, if things get ugly, they take the hits so the pilot doesn't have to. It's a synchronized symphony of high-tech destruction. This project is more than just engineering. It's a statement from the UK, Italy, and Japan. A statement that says, the future of the sky belongs to us. The BAE Tempest isn't just another fighter, it's the ultimate insurance policy. The sky used to have limits. But with the Tempest, those limits are officially gone. We aren't just watching a new jet fly, we're witnessing the birth of a legend. Anyway, thank you so much for sticking around for this deep dive. If the power of the BAE Tempest blew your mind as much as it did mine, do me a favor. Hit that like button, and hit subscribe. We're covering the front lines of technology every single week, and you seriously don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.